welcome back to Love Me Coupons. So we have the Michaels grab bags. I just got done work, so now we're gonna film this and I gotta edit it and get it up. And if you didn't see the glitch from Dollar General, that was up before this as well. So I'm gonna film this, edit it, and then go study. So,
all right, guys.
Let's start with the grab bags. Mom's gonna open 2, and then I'm gonna open 2.
Absolutely
so
crazy. We were so excited. The first one we went to, they were completely sold out. We got there, I called it 9:05. They were already out. 5 minutes into the start. Oh wow, look at this. Wake me up when it's so. I mean, how cute is this? Look at this pillow. Oh my God, I love it. Oh, this is perfect.
Outdoor cushions.
Yeah, outdoor. Well, and it's
So
a little
hot.
pillow. It is a little warm.
I'm wearing Uggs.
All right, let's see what.
These look so cute.
This, I don't even know what
They're
this is.
summer color posters.
Posters.
They're little posters. And
Oh my God.
don't forget, guys, if you don't use this stuff, you can honestly sell it.
Sell it or
Facebook
donate it.
Marketplace.
Or...
Oh yeah, donate it too.
And this is chalkboard.
I
Oh my
think
God, the
it's-
teachers would love that. And this
Another
is,
one.
and what else is this?
And another
oh,
one.
and another one. Oh my goodness. Hunk and Wade.
Stop! Wait, I literally got this for her birthday. I paid $20 for this last year.
That is crazy.
Now we have another one. I guess we
Oh
can put
my
2 of them up.
gosh. What is this? Oh, these are cute little glasses, I guess, for 4th of July.
Yeah.
I think that's what they are. Name plates for the kids. Oh
Those are
my
for
gosh.
school.
That is so cute for school. Perfect for you as a teacher.
I love this. Oh my God, wait, these are so cute to put on the desk. You put their names on it. Those are for like
Borders.
the boards
That's
for school.
perfect.
Okay, wait, I think I'm set for my first classroom now too.
Oh, look at these.
Oh my God.
These are like just like little accents. That is awesome. And what is this? Oh, these are, what are these?
They're numbers.
Oh, and numbers
They go on the bulletin boards.
on the bulletin boards. Oh, here's some more borders.
They're
Oh,
not
these are
numbers, they're
pretty.
accents.
These are really pretty. Cactus and flowers.
Cacti.
Cacti, is that how you say it? And what else?
You know,
is
I
there?
got the salt.
And these, this looks like foil packs. Not exactly sure what that is, but there you go.
Probably to the red, white, and blue foil pack.
Oh, and cookie cutters. Oh, these are perfect.
And they
Of
shape
the
in the
U.S.
US of
and the
A.
flag. Yep.
The US of the A.
And let's see, a lot
I'm
of
just throwing everything over there. And then
lots of duplicates. Again, more things to hang on the boards for the teachers.
comment down
let's
below
see.
if you know any teachers or somebody going to school to be a teacher.
There you go. Some more cute things.
I think as you go through yours, I'm going to go through another one.
Exactly. This is like a lot of dupes in here.
Dupes.
Duplicates.
Okay, so this one, I do one, I guess you do one, I do one, I do one, you do one.
Okay.
So, oh,
And again, guys, $5. What?
my camera died, now my phone's gonna die, I can't win. Hooray for the USA, we got
Let me
4 of
see
these.
this. Oh, that's something nice to paint.
They're only $10. Oh, red, white, and blessed. Red, white, and blessed. Red, white, and blessed. We got 3 of those, and then hooray for the USA. And then that's your bag. And then if you want to go through the other bag, like I do.
Oh, okay, we're doing it together?
Yes.
Okay. We'll just rip it open. And they didn't have boxes this time around, so we have these wonderful flimsy bags.
Well, we got 3 of these.
Oh,
It
that's
says
a nice cutting board.
Keep it rural. It's not a cutting board.
Isn't it?
It says for decoration use only on the back.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at these. Love these. For writing.
Writing.
Amazing. And it comes like this also.
Please tell me why I was gonna buy these last time I was in there. It says school is in session, do not disturb, and then the back says virtual learning is in session, please do not disturb. We've got a lot of those.
Okay, this is kind of messed up, but this is kind of cute. This is normally $17. Like, this will pay for almost all the bags. That's nuts.
This is a teacher mouse pad. And then I dropped these,
Oh,
but
look how-
these are little markers and bags and notepads.
Guys,
Oh,
this is adorable. Absolutely so cute. So rustic. Oh my gosh. That is adorable.
I'm sweating.
Oh, here's another letter. Again, we're just in 2 letters. We got all these bags. This is crazy.
And then we got rainbow tape. We got more pens.
Oh, look, we got
And
more.
then we got photo banners.
got more of these.
And then we got another one of these. These are another photo banner,
This
so you
is
can
only
like hang them.
$17. That's
Oh, no,
crazy.
And then we got more of these, as if I feel like I should like donate these, or I can keep these for when I have my own class.
Ooh, look at this, guys.
H is for hello. That is that's $25.
$25, guys. You're gonna have to let us know in the comments what you got, because this is unbelievable.
I'm gonna have to clean all this up, and I'm realizing that now as I'm throwing it.
Oh, what is
Another
this?
mouse pad, but this is my favorite. I saw this in the bag. They're
I don't
little
know
back
what-
to school mini
Oh,
eraser.
that's cute.
And then more tape.
This, I have no clue what that is. And, oh, we got wax melts. You know we can never have enough. Look at this. Wax melts. They are normally $4 a piece.
So we got like 4 more mouse pads. So I can definitely give these to my teacher friends. Got like 6 of them now.
Wow.
And then more of these.
Let me
these
see
are
what
all
it
door
says.
handles. Virtual learning in progress. Please do not disturb unless you have coffee or chocolate or both.
And that's what we're doing this year, virtual learning.
For my one sister. I'm teaching her.
Amazing.
And then more virtual learnings.
Oh
And
my
then
gosh.
this, another one of these. We got like, oh my god, my whole classroom's made decked out. This is great. I'm not gonna buy anything. Oh my god, wait, these are perfect for my praxis. If you didn't
Let me
know,
see
if
this.
you didn't see the last 2 videos
that
we've
is
done,
cute.
I'm studying for my praxis. I need social studies and science next week and social studies Thursday. So wish me luck on that. I know nothing about history. But
That is
flashcards.
perfect.
3 things of 100 of them. That's 300.
Even for your sister, these are great for
Oh, I know.
multiplication. Keep them
I know.
all together. Highlighters?
I really hope these are scented because
I doubt it. Oh,
They
they might.
are.
They're scented. Let me
Scented.
Let me smell.
no, I'm not opening them.
Oh,
I'm gonna put all this away, and then we got more of all these photo banners, dry erase banners, so you can put like names like what you're gonna do that day.
I
Another
can't
one is-
even imagine.
Oh my god!
Now, what we should do? I'm gonna try to total everything.
Pens,
Why don't I total everything?
souls,
And I'm gonna try to
Pencils.
total everything and tell you what the full retail value is. 'cause it's
another
crazy.
one of these. They're
Oh,
so
these
cute.
are nice pens.
They're pencils.
Are there pencils?
Who doesn't listen to me?
Well,
And last thing I have in my bag are little, what is it called?
Stamps.
Stampers. So, I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing because that was fun. We're doing it on my phone, but I did get a new phone, so I think the quality is a lot better than before because my other phone broke. I brought it in the pool, and then it turned off, and now I don't have access to my Instagram whatsoever. So, that was fun. But if you liked what you saw,
And-
make sure that subscribe button down below.
and guys, when you go, comment. You have to let us know what you're getting. I mean, these items
We do
are
send
like
it out.
amazing.
We do send it out in the Telegram group when we first got them this morning when we knew they were out. So make sure to follow that. I'll have it like linked down below so you can just click on it, join the group. You get all the run deals over there as well. And I did post it on Instagram this morning and TikTok. TikTok,
Yes.
I did it while we were there and I posted it. So make sure to hit the subscribe button down below.
And happy couponing.
Happy coupon. Bye guys.